Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your airline credits on Expedia fast and easy. Whether you're using the app or website, this guide will walk you through it step by step. So let's jump right in. First, open the Expedia app or go to expedia.com. Log into your account that holds the airline credits. Tap Account and go to Coupons and Credits. Find your available airline credits listed. Click the credit you want to use, then follow on-screen instructions. At checkout, select your airline credit as the payment method. That's it. You can now use your credits to book a flight with the same airline that issued them. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.